So today we are going to use some recycled materials and we're going to make a bird feeder. So I've got this metal, okay, it's a metal can, it's got to be a metal can, and it's coffee can. So for you coffee drinkers, save these up. First of all, you're going to cut the bottom off. I've already done that. So take your can opener, cut the bottom off. Then you're going to take your lid and you're going to cut it in two pieces. When you're done with that, get some duct tape and we're going to tape this half a lid on. Okay, so we're going to do this side first. Oops, I just grabbed my tape. And this is just going to keep your lid tight. All right. When you're done with that side, so you push it down there tight. And now this stuck on there. It's not going anywhere. So now flip it over and make sure, when you look through there, make sure that this is going the same direction as the other one, that you're not covering it up. If you cover it up like that, it's not going to be helpful. Not going to work. So you got to make sure you tape it on the other side. So let's tape this. I'm going to use this little extra piece here. So we don't want to waste anything. And we are going to tape this and on this side. All right. Okay, so now you've got both these sides in here. Take some other colors, and you can get this tape at the dollar store. They sell all different colors. Think about putting a lot of different colors on it. If you make a few of them, you're not going to want them all the same color. Let's brighten it up. So let's maybe put some stripes on it. Brighten it up a little bit. And I can throw that on there too. You're going to want to slow down, take your time. I'm kind of rushing here for the video. You can use any colors you want. Maybe you want it solid, I don't know. When that's done, I found a nice big long shoelace that nobody's using. You can use yarn, you can use rope, whatever you have at your house. I'm going to stick it through there. I'm going to tie a knot. I'm going to fill this with bird seed and I'm going to hang it up.